ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki Pulit jong ke Ribhoi District Executive Force ki balayo ya ke jingtip ke bapania ni kitanat sentiat bakadan ke wei ke kinhon ke bakit ya ki Tiar Pynbthei na Khliehriat East Tiar District haga ar pusau teri kubnai rempang arajar ar fu ar kila penlong ke jing ap ketem ha surok ba ha bernihat daga jing atrelang bat ki Sipai Assam Rifles. Superintendent of Police jong ke Ribhoi District Ugiri Prasad hau kerwo abala pha sikilat pathai khubor haga ar pusantrik ubnai rempang arajar ar fu ar ula pentip badai ha kapor khat wei siteng minmit kane ka kinhon ki Pulit kalayo bat ya ka wei ka kali ka badanyo registration number AS01BE 3800 haga jing talasi ki Pulit kirayo Kurup khandai song ki neo gelatin stick ki bakhia hado ar spa khandai point khandai pulai kilo san tuli ki aluminium instantaneous electric detonators but ar hajar tali ki Indira special ordinary detonators ha ka baki breu ki bakit ya kini ki Tiar Pynbthei kim sim lala ban pen i ki dulir bat ki kot kisla ki babiang Hagabai day bat kini ka jingjia langut ki breu ki badan kti ban kit ye kini ki Tiar Pynbthei kila sha kem bat sha pengat ru hapo ka kindon ein 5 bracket A jong ke Explosive Substances Act.
We got information from a reliable source that a vehicle carrying explosive substances that may be illegal in nature is being transported from Jeddah Hills and might proceed towards Guwahati. So Meghalaya Police along with Assam Rifles, in coordination with Assam Rifles, we had set up a joint Naka in the evening yesterday on 24/2/2022. So the Naka checking was happening and all the vehicles, light vehicles were checked, and around 11:30 p.m. 24 yesterday, so one vehicle was intercepted. The vehicle number is A01D3800. So around 11:30 p.m. after interception, then it was found that with the joint team of Assam Rifles and Ribhoi Police that the vehicle contained almost 209 kgs of gelatin sticks, neogel gelatin sticks, 50 numbers of aluminium electronic detonators, and almost 2000 special ordinary detonators were recovered from the vehicle. In this connections, 3 persons have been arrested. Non-PO PS case number 33/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has also been registered under non-PO PS. And in this connection, almost 3 mobile phones also were seized, and the vehicle also carrying the illegal explosive substances also was seized. So the team was under DSP crime, NOPO, and headed by IC Khliehriat. So they have also now investigating the case of the origin as well as where the materials were to be delivered. So in this connection, the investigation is still going on.